It's 36 degrees down here in Kentucky, and it snowed this morning, and I'm going to show y'all my new tractor. It's a 3130 John Deere Canadian tractor. If it was made here, it would have been the 2840. So basically it's a 2840 down here, but in Canada it's the 3130. And today we're going to do a cold start on it. I'll give you a little look around of the tractor. But it's cold out today, and we'll see if she fires up for you guys that are enthused about the cold start videos. So also my new Cummins. But anyways, let's get to it. Get up here in the cab. Let's see if she'll start. It's gonna be a cold start for sure. No luck so far. We'll see if she'll fire up though. It might be better if I get out to show y'all the exhaust. Light starting. Goes 36 degrees out. Fired up. No plug-in necessary.